Hey there, how's it going? Today I'm going to tell you the hidden ugly truth about the overwhelming majority of Clickbank affiliate marketing YouTubers. They are lying to you, okay? Now in this video I'm going to share with you not only how they're lying to you, but also why they are lying to you, alright? Now if you're joining me for the first time, my name is Christian. Welcome to my channel. I am Christian M, a place where I decided to document my attempted journey to financial independence. Now, this can have several meanings for different people, but in our case, all I'm simply referring to is trying to get to that point where we are making enough in passive income to cover our living expenses, okay? And I'm trying to document it in a way that somebody watching can try to mimic what I'm doing. In the event that I am successful, you too could also try to have that same kind of success. So if that kind of stuff is of interest to you, please do me a favor, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every single time I release a new video. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a like. It helps to get it out there to more people that could benefit from this information, okay? So without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump straight into the business here, okay? So Clickbank affiliate marketing YouTubers. Just to clarify, when I talk about Clickbank affiliate marketing YouTubers, I'm not talking about people who use YouTube as a traffic source to generate Clickbank affiliate marketers. No, I'm talking about the YouTubers or people who create content, even on other platforms, content about making money online with Clickbank. All right. Now, why is Clickbank of importance to you? Like, if you're someone who's been on my channel for the short while and has actually been watching my videos, why is Clickbank relevant, right? Well, if you've been around, you'll know that in my attempt to get to financial independence, I'm relying on different sources of income to build that base that I need to start generating the passive income once I start putting my money in different places. And one of the things that I'm looking to do to generate additional income is pursue affiliate marketing, right? And there's different things that I would promote with affiliate marketing, and one of the places that is kind of near and dear to me is Clickbank. All right, that's where I made my first ever affiliate marketing commission. So Clickbank is a place that I'm looking to generate generate some income, and it's going to be one of the places where I will be putting content showing you how I am generating that income. Now, if you've landed on this video because you found it through some search perhaps or something, there's a good chance that you are an individual that watches a lot of Clickbank related videos, right? Videos in relation to learning how to make money with Clickbank, right? And unfortunately, and this is my, I don't know how else to say it, it's just the way I feel about it. Unfortunately, YouTube is littered, okay? Is littered with a bunch of videos made by YouTubers who are essentially lying to you, right? You'll see a lot of these clickbaity titles, things like how to make $500 a day, how to make $1,000 a day, how to make $100 in 1 hour with Clickbank and all that type of stuff. That's not to say it's not possible to make those kind of numbers. In fact, there are a lot of affiliates that I know that actually make those kind of numbers, but most of the people on YouTube are just reposting regurgitated content of stuff that they have not done, okay? Now, I'll tell you how they're lying to you, all right, before we get into why they're lying to you. How they're lying to you is you'll go into a video and you'll see someone, let's just say it's a video where they've said like how they make they make X number of dollars on Clickbank, right? This is the first scenario. This is one of the scenarios you'll typically see. It's someone who has posted a title telling you how to make $1,000 a day, but then you go into or let's just say whatever the number is, how to make $500 a day, $100 a day, whatever the case is. You would go into such a video at the very minimum, you would expect to see that they are actually making money themselves in that way, right? And show you at least some degree of proof and all that. But they're not, all right? It's just generic information, regurgitated information that they've probably seen from another video somewhere, and they're coming and posting it on YouTube. And that's so many of these Clickbank related videos, right? They'll come and repost that without ever having done that themselves, okay? Without ever having done that themselves. And then the second scenario you'll see is people who have made commissions on Clickbank, right? They have made commissions on Clickbank, and then they're showing you a particular method to generate commissions on Clickbank, and they'll show screenshots of the commissions they have made, but the commissions they've made are not using the particular method that they're showing you in that video. And one of the things that is really one of the easy ways to spot those kind of people is you'll see them make tons of different Clickbank videos of how to make money with Clickbank, showing you tons of different methods, multiple different methods. It's just about a different method every day, right? And they have clearly not used that method themselves to generate those commissions, even though they are showing some kind of proof, right? Like positioning themselves as some kind of authority, as somebody that you should listen to because they have generated commissions. But the only problem is what they're showing you is not how they generated those commissions on screen that they're showing you, okay? So that's that. And then the worst type are the ones, I guess this is a third scenario, the ones that actually go in there and fake the screenshots, right? It's really easy to go inside there and to go manipulate for those of you who are familiar, the green and brown bars on Clickbank or on the dashboard. It's real easy to and change the numbers. It's really easy to manipulate those numbers and change them, make it look like you're making commissions. Those ones are just the worst, right? Those ones are just the worst. But those are really those scenarios. So that's how they're lying to you, okay? They'll put all these different methods that clearly they haven't done themselves, right? If someone is showing you a video on how to make money on Clickbank and they're not telling you, not sharing with you specifically how they've done it, right? Like, that they've done it themselves, then it's almost a worthless video, because it's just going to be generic information that really doesn't help you, right? The biggest problem that a lot of people face is how to generate traffic, okay? That's really the problem. And a lot of these videos, they don't necessarily cover that, and they don't tell you. Now, as far as why they're lying to you, okay, let me tell you why they're lying to you. They're not making money from all those things that they're showing you on how to make money with Clickbank. They're making money from the ad revenue that they get, AdSense, from the YouTube partner program, right? And they know that there are a lot of beginners who really are interested in making money with Clickbank. And why? Clickbank is one of those affiliate networks that has an extremely low barrier. In fact, there's just about no barrier to entry, right? That's where a lot of beginners get started with affiliate marketing. It's a popular network, right? It's a popular network, a popular affiliate marketplace. And because of that, there are a ton of people looking for information to get started on Clickbank. So these guys, they'll go make all these fake videos, basically, right? With all these clickbaity titles, how to make X number of dollars, but there's no real information there that you can actually take and go implement with some confidence, knowing that what you're implementing is actually something that has worked for somebody, right? It's frustrating if you're starting out and you want to go, because I know this because I see it in the comments, right? I'm happy that I see people, I'm happy that I see people calling out like these quote unquote fake gurus putting all this stuff out. I've actually seen it multiple times where people who come into the comments and they'll tell the YouTuber in question that all your methods don't work, they're fake. I've gone and wasted so much time trying all these methods that you're showing and they don't work, okay? Stuff like that. I see comments like that, and I feel for these people, right? And I will say at the same time, I will admit that there are people as well who maybe don't put in the necessary work, right? Like they'll go try a particular method and only put it into practice for like maybe a week or two, and not see any results and then conclude that it doesn't work. But for the most part, I've seen enough Clickbank stuff to know, at least to have an idea of the ones that really know what they're talking about and are really generating the commissions that they say they are, right? But I see that in the comments all the time, right? So the ones which, funny enough, on the flip side, I've seen interesting comments where people go into the comments of, say, somebody that I know is actually legit and they're actually making money the way they say they're making money in their videos. I've seen somebody go in and complain that, oh, you just post the same stuff all the time with the same method, like it's the same thing over and over. Well, guess what? It's because they are actually doing it, okay? They are actually making money with what they're showing you, right? There might be little tweaks here and there, different things, but those are the videos that you actually need to pay attention to, right? The people who show some level of consistency, they're not showing you millions of different methods every single video, right? Because there's no way that they're actually doing all those methods. I mean, I guess it's possible, but for the most part, someone that's showing you a million different methods to make money on Clickbank, you know, and they're not necessarily doing it, they're probably not doing it themselves, okay? So when you go looking out for these videos, I would look out for the people that, you know, for one, they show you proof, right, that they're actually making money with the method that they're telling you that they're making it with. Those are the ones that you want to follow, and those are the ones that you want to learn from, because there's nothing more frustrating than going and hoping on something that you've seen, you know. And I know as a beginner it's going to be hard as well to how do you identify the real ones from the fake ones. It's kind of tough. So, and these YouTube, they know that, right? So that hence the reason they make all these videos, right, and just looking for clicks, right? That's the reason that's the reason why they, you know, why they're lying to you. They make all these videos just to get all the clicks, get watch time, to get monetized. Sorry, they're already a lot of them are already monetized, but they're doing it to get a lot of watch time and get ad revenue, okay, from AdSense. That's really the reason. So if you would like, you know, that's part of my frustration. And that if you would like to see somebody that actually going to show you something real, I highly suggest that you subscribe to my channel, because I am going to be putting out content. If you're one of those that's interested in Clickbank, I am going to be putting out real content in relation to how I'm making money with Clickbank, right? I'll even do like maybe a few case studies and show you exactly what I'm doing. And I'll tell you flat out, like, if it's something I try actually works, or if it doesn't work, if I tried a method, or if I'm doing a method and, you know, I fall flat on my face, you will know, okay? I will give you real stuff, okay? And if it works for me, I'll be giving you information that you can actually take and implement for yourself to also generate commissions that way. So if that stuff is of interest to you, I would highly recommend you subscribe. As to give you some kind of timeline, I hope to start some kind of project at least on the 1st of September, okay, coming up. I'll look to start something then, and I'll start showing the results gradually as we go. And you know what I'm doing to generate the commissions that I am generating, and you know, build from there. Okay, all right. I'll share more information from that. All right, if you have any questions, suggestions of things you want to see in relation to that, let me know in the comment section below. I will be sure to answer. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and I will catch you in my next video. Ciao.